Everybody wants to know how I made my first $100,000 in 1 month as an SMA owner. And to be honest, it wasn't by getting more clients. So make sure you stick around for this. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe down below, and we're gonna get right into this. A lot of SMA owners always think that the best way to go to 100K a month is by niching down, charging more, having higher retention, and getting to 100K faster. I'm gonna be honest, I went from making 20K a month to having a $600,000 a month within 30 fucking days, and I'm gonna tell you how I did it. And it's not because I cold emailed, not because I cold DM'd people. It's because I ran a low ticket offer. And when I did this offer, they're not easy to run right now, but when I did run this offer, Facebook ad costs were a lot cheaper. It was a lot more scalable. And also, I was getting my ad spend for free. I'm going to tell you how. And that's how I built my massive email list that I have now of over 14,000 people who are all business owners, who have all seen my shit, who have all booked a call, because we book about 7,000 sales calls every quarter. And it's not because I'm special. It's because I did this one thing that's very, very important. So first things first is, if you don't know who I am, the reason why I got my name in this space was because of this exact offer that I ran. It was my 100 ad templates offer. It's actually the link in the description if you want to check it out. I still get buyers organically. I get 3 people a day who buy it. It's a free, it just depends on what people buy with the upsells. It's a free 50 to about $300 a day in free cash flow organically. So what this offer was I was looking to find business owners who were looking to harness paid ads, didn't want to pay an agency, and just wanted to kind of harness it themselves. So I gave them 100 ad templates, which are my best performing ads, my top 100 ads with the copy, the targeting, the creative, the image, all of that given to them. Headlines, all of that. Everything was given to them, right? And I said, hey, these are 100 ads that are very high performing, and I want you to steal them from me. Copy and paste these behaviors in these ads and use it for yours. See what's working in other people's videos and other people's niches and verticals, and see how you can pertain it to yours. And these were 100 different niches and verticals, okay? So people would buy this for 17 bucks, and then I would have upsells. My next upsell was, hey, listen, we gave you the pages. We gave you the ads. Why don't we just give you the landing pages too? And that was $37. And also on the order bump were these 4 secret targeting hacks that I gave people for $27. A lot of people wanted that shit. My take rate on the order bump was over 70%, which is, if you're in the direct response niche, that's a very good take rate. So a lot of people were spending $44 on the front end, 27 on the order bump, 17 on the ad templates PDF. Then they go to the upsell for 37. After that upsell, then I was like, hey, listen, you have landing pages. Why don't you just watch me take all the shit that you just bought and put it into action? Because I took a brand from 0 to 3 million in 6 days. Craziest 6 days of my life, but I took a brand from 0 to 3 million in 6 days with ads, with one of the ads that was inside the templates, with a landing page that was inside the landing pages. So now they could see me in action do it. I recorded myself for 6 days with a little mini docu-series that I did. That was 67 bucks. And after that, I was like, okay, why don't you just let me review your ads and landing pages in a Facebook group for $19 a month? I got a shit ton of people on that. It's like 400 people in there right now. And then after that upsell was my course, which was $297. I said, hey, listen, even if you didn't buy everything from me today, I'm going to take off everything that you could have bought today, and I'm going to minus it from the price of $297, and it came out to like $134. So a lot of people took that course for $134, which helped me pay for my ad spend. I was spending about 50 bucks to get a customer. My average order value was 71, so I was making 20 bucks on the front end. And you're probably wondering, well, 20 bucks profit, who cares? There's a thank you page in the funnel. And on that thank you page is a book your call. Like, hey, have Jason, myself, review your ads and funnels and all that on a call and see how we can help you. So that's where I was getting about 10 to 15 book calls a day. I was closing over 70% of people. I was pushing mentorships. I wasn't even selling done for you. I was selling coaching on the back end. And I was making so much fucking money. It was incredible. I was getting people to pay me basically 3 Zoom calls for $19.97. I was having $15,000, $20,000 days running this offer. Day in and day out, I was working 18 hours a day because I still had some done for you clients. So I would have sales calls for about 4 to 5 hours. Then the other 4 to 5 after that were mentorship calls. And then after that was done for you. I was doing some client work for people that were actually paying me still on retainer. So I was working my fucking ass off doing all this, and it forced me, since I was making all this money, to pay for a team. I needed to hire people, and that's how I had my first 100K month, but it wound up being a 600K month because it was fucking insane. So I hope this gave you some motivation. Maybe you want to run a low ticket offer. You have to make sure that your high ticket in the back end is in place. It's a high converting offer. It's sexy, it's appealing, and it's faster results of what they just bought inside your funnel. And the way that I segmented my upsells, you can easily take that and frame it for your own offer as well. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. I did. So click the like button down below, comment your feedback, and also might as well check out the templates. It's one of the links inside the description there, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.